Hello children, previous video we have seen how to arrange in ascending and descending order, and in today's class we are going to discuss how to find out the successor and the predecessor. Successor and the predecessor. Now, successor. Here it is moving to the next number. The successor of this number means you have to plus 1. Okay, that means 8, 6, 4. So successor of this number is 4, 6, 8. What do we have to do? We have to plus 1. We have to plus 1. Then tell me then 9, 7, 8. What is the successor of this? We have to add 1. Okay, we have to add 1 to the ones place, that is plus 1. We are getting 9 and 7. 9. What is the successor of this number is 9, 7, 9. Predecessor means you have to minus 1. Predecessor means you have to minus 1. Then tell me 408. What is the predecessor to this? What is the predecessor? So, what is the predecessor to then? 407. Very simple, you have already learned after and before. How you learned? Yes? Same way, successor means after number, predecessor means before number. So we can write here after and before. Now it is clear. So after number, before number. Successor means after that number. Okay, predecessor means before that number. For that, what do we have to do? We have to plus 1 for the successor and minus 1 for the predecessor. Now tell me, what is the predecessor of 705? What is that? Well, it is 2704. We have subtracted 1 from here. Alright, now give me the answers to this. Then what is the successor of this number? 674. What do we have to do? We have to add 1 to 4. That we are getting 6, 7, 5. Successor of this number 1298. 1299. We have added 1 with the this one. Okay, 4000. 4000 plus 1. What is the answer? 4001. Clear? And then with the predecessor of these numbers, 425. We have to minus 1 here, children. Okay, after subtracting, what you will get? 424. Again, subtract here 1. What we are getting? 3478. Now, again we have to subtract here 1. What we are getting, children? 5999. Alright, 5999. Is it clear now? Successor means after number, predecessor means before number. To find out the successor, what we have to do? We have to add 1 to the given number. Add 1 to the given number. Okay. Predecessor, to find out what we have to do is, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Subtract 1 from the given number. Okay. Is it clear? Now see here, I have written a question for you. Now use the given digit and write the least and the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. Using the given digit. See here, some digits are given. Using this, you have to write least and the greatest 3-digit number. It is not simply the least and the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, least and the greatest digit number is, but all of you know, it is the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 900. This is not the question. Okay, this is not the question, children. Using these digits, see, there is 3 digits given. 1 is 4, 1 is 8, 1 is 2. We cannot read this as 482. It is not 482 because it is single given. Okay, 3-digit number means should be without a comma. It should be written. Okay, one stretch. Okay, without comma. You can read this as 482. This is clear because there is no comma between. Once you place comma between like this numbers, it is called a single digit. Okay, there is 4, it is 2, 8, and this is 2. It is not 482. Okay, you cannot read it as 482. It is individually read 482. Now it is a question using these 3 digits, you have to write the greatest one and also you have to write the least one. Now how to place here? Now which is the biggest digit here, children? 8. So 8 will be the first one. Then next 4, next 2, and if you put comma, again it is going to be wrong. You cannot read it as 842. You can, if you put comma, it is going to be 842, one digit number only. Okay. So without putting the commas, you have to arrange according to the value of the number. Now tell me how to do the least one. The same way, compare the digits. Okay, which is the smallest one? 2, and which is next? 4, and the one is 8. So with this digit, 842 is the greatest number and 248 is the smallest one. Clear now, children? Now tell me this one. The same way, compare the digit. So say with 9. Okay. Then 3, and the next one is 0. 930. 900. See, we have to start with the 100, then only it is going to be 3-digit number. Okay. That also you have to remember. You have to start with 100. 930. It is a 3-digit number. Greatest. Now how to arrange the smallest one? Subset of 0. Isn't it? Then 3, 9. Is it a 3-digit number, children? Is it? How many digits are here? How to read this? Now, okay, tell me. First you tell me how to read this number. What is the name of this number? 39. 039 will be read? No. It is wrong. Isn't it? Then tell me, is it a 3-digit number? No. 39 is only 2-digit number. Isn't it? Now how to do it this? So this is wrong. So that method we cannot follow when there is 0. Okay, when there is 0, we cannot follow this method. When there is 0, 0 will be the second number. Right, 0 will be the second number, then only it is going to be 3-digit number. Now, so the first will be 3, then 0, then 9. Alright, is it a 3-digit number now? 309. Okay, children. When we deal with 0, greatest number, there is no problem. The least number, when we write, what we have to do? 0 should be the second number. Okay. Now how to write? This is how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to change the question here. It is you have to write 4-digit number. Okay. So greatest 4-digit and the least 4-digit number. Now, same way we have to see which is the biggest digit here, 6. So we write first 6, then 5, then 2, then 1. So least, just reverse it, that is 1, 2, 5, 6. Right. And then this one, 6, 0, 8, 3. It is also, they had given 4 digits. So, we have to write the greatest 4-digit number and the smallest or the least 4-digit number using these digits. Okay, same way, just check which is the greatest one, that is 8, next is 6, then 3, then 0. So, the least number, already I told you here, we cannot start with the 0. See, just see, if you start with the 0, 3, 6, 8. What is the number name for this 368? It is only a 3-digit number, 368. It is not a 4-digit number. 4 starts with a 1000, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to place the 0 in the second place, that is 3, 0, 6, 8. So, while arranging this, only one point that you have to keep in mind. When there is a 0 digit is given, that should be for the least number, that should be the second one. Alright children, I hope it is clear. So, how to write successor and predecessor, and how to write the least and the latest number using the digits given. Thank you all.